Hey there! If you have ever needed to pick a color from your screen, you have probably used some kind of color picker apps, such as this one. But in this video, I'll show you how to use the browser's built-in color picker to grab any color on your screen, even outside the browser. Before we get started, I would like to thank everyone who supports this channel, especially the 2.39k subscribers. Your support helps me continue creating clear and concise tutorials. Now, let's get back to the video. First, open Chrome, Edge, or any Chromium browser. Here, I have the Brave browser already open. I'll use it so you can see things from the perspective of a Chromium-based browser. If you are using another Chromium-based browser like Edge, the interface should look pretty similar. Now, if you are using Safari, unfortunately, I don't have a Mac to show you that perspective, but I trust you will figure it out. If you are using Firefox, bear with me for a moment, we'll get to that soon. Now, let's go ahead and open the DevTools. Then go to Elements tab and find a CSS color value, such as these ones, and click on the color square next to the color value. Now click the eyedropper icon in the color picker dropdown, and now your cursor changes into the eyedropper tool. Now you can move your mouse and pick a color from inside the browser or anywhere else on the screen, even a second monitor if you have it. I'm going to click, and as you can see, the hex code of the color has changed. Now you can go ahead and copy this color and use it wherever you want. One more thing, as far as I know, only Chromium and WebKit based browsers support picking colors outside the browser window. When it comes to Gecko-based browsers, such as Firefox, you can only pick colors within the browser window. And once you choose a color, it will be automatically copied to your clipboard. So if you now search on Google, you will see the hex code right here. Alright, that was it. Now you know how to use the browser color picker to grab any color on your screen, even outside the browser. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.